Just beware, that's all. Well, did you make any legal New Year's resolutions? Maybe get a will done, maybe a power of attorney, make some beneficiary changes in your insurance policies. Our legal contributor, Craig Wisdom, says you should. He joins us now. A good starting point, you say, is to begin with a will.
That's correct. And this is the nice thing about this is actually one of the easier New Year's resolutions to fulfill, because with a couple hours of time, you can get this taken care of, get this taken off your plate. And I can't tell you how many clients, whatever point during the year, they get something like this done that they've been putting off.
Why is it so important to have one?
Well, first of all, if you have got young children, it's very important to, both name who their guardians would be if something happens to you. You get to specify the people who would raise them, and there's probably nothing more important to parents than that, as well as, making sure that if they're going to get any money, whether it's through insurance or other proceeds, it's protected so they don't get it all when they turn age 18, and not normally a good time for children to have something like that.
That would be disastrous. Yeah, a lot of people think, well, I don't have any assets, I don't have any money, why do I need a will?
And in most cases like that, the planning is probably pretty simple, but you still need it. You still need to take care of, even if you don't have a dollar, if you're a parent, you need to take care of who's going to take care of your children.
And probably also a power of attorney, huh?
Powers of attorney is very important, just so if something happens, your family, your loved ones don't have to go through the court process to be able to take care of your assets and take care of you. And
if you've had a divorce in the year, you should probably make sure that your ex is not on any of your insurance plans as a beneficiary.
This is a very big, in fact, it's probably even more important if people find they're going to get divorced. Because what people don't realize is if they've got a will, or even if they don't have a will and something happens to them before divorce is final, that ex-spouse who they probably don't want to benefit is going to end up getting everything. And so a lot of people, a smart thing is if, unfortunately, they find themselves in the process of filing for divorce, that's one of the things they need to do really quickly is change their will.
Yeah, and again, a lot of times you want to update beneficiaries anyway, even if there's no divorce.
Absolutely.
Good time to do it now.
Absolutely. If you've kind of done your homework and gotten things in place, you've already got a will, you've got powers of attorney, then just take a time to review it, make sure there haven't been any major changes in your life, things that need to be changed in the documents, or maybe if it's been, maybe 5 years, talk with the attorney, just see if it's a good idea to update documents anyway.
Any estate planning things that you should be aware of and taking care of?
Well, there are a few changes for the new year. Probably the most common one, people were aware you used to be able to give $10,000 per year to every individual without any gift tax consequence, and that was up to $12,000 by last year. Well, it's going up again this year to $13,000. So that's a new change. If people are maximizing that amount, they can give more. And there's a bigger estate tax threshold. People don't have to worry about paying an estate tax this year unless they've got over $3.5 million.
I'm safe.
Wasn't too long ago, it was 600,000, so that's really come a long way in the last 10 years.
So make an appointment with your attorney and get these things taken care of. You will feel so good.
Yes, you can take Tiana's month if you want, but get it done this year.
All right, thanks, Craig.